Reborn Ceramic, a sustainable compound crafted from revalued ceramic waste. The Corona factory in Sopó, Colombia, faces a challenge arising from the production of ceramic coatings and tiles. This central issue revolves around managing the ceramic waste generated in the manufacturing process. These waste materials are the inevitable byproduct of large-scale ceramic production, formed by glazed and already fired ceramics. They result from the high-temperature firing stage in needles, where clay and other ceramic materials gain their characteristic hardness and durability. However, some of these ceramic pieces break during the process, or others fail to meet the quality standards of Colombian Technical Standards 919, either due to defects in glazing, variations in color, cracks, or other imperfections, posing significant challenges for their management and reuse.
I found an opportunity in these waste materials, that of repurposing them, giving them a second useful life and utilizing them as an alternative raw material.
This is how Reborn Ceramic is born, a compound that emerges from the union of ceramic waste with cement, resulting in a terrazzo that enhances the waste while combining the durability and uniqueness of the waste with the strength of cement.
I used an experimental and exploratory approach in the workshop, conducting various tests to explore combinations of white and red ceramics in these different sizes and proportions, along with gray and white cement. This process led me to discover the perfect combinations, in which I created the material sample with a total of 48 different samples.
The Reborn Ceramic production starts by crushing waste to desired sizes, ranging from large to powder, based on the sample. Cement is then prepared and mixed with the waste by varying proportions 1, 2, or 3, poured and vibrated for uniformity, following by a critical waiting period. A polishing process with a roughing cup grinder enhances the surface, showcasing embedded ceramic waste in the cement. In the project's second phase, dedicated to demonstrating the material's viability and applicability, I designed an outdoor furniture line. Starting with ideation and sketching, exploring various shapes in several sketches, and then building several prototypes, for finally developing the final prototype of the table at a 1:3 scale, entirely constructed with Reborn Ceramic and internally reinforced with a metal structure. The table's modular bases offer versatility in urban furniture, being usable on both sides, while the chairs can be used individually or combined to form an adaptable bench in any space.